This is Jack Rice in Manchester, New Hampshire. This is Jack Rice in Manchester, New Hampshire. The New Hampshire primary has finally come. We have seen millions and millions of dollars poured into this city, into this state. After Iowa, this is the next place that they come. And here in Manchester, there's a lot of snow on the ground, but there are a lot of people in the city. We see all of the major candidates within a couple of hundred yards of me. In fact, I just ran into Rudy Giuliani across the street, but earlier Mike Huckabee was here. We're going to see Barack Obama and others in the next coming hours. Realistically, there are still people on the streets, and yet people are starting to vote. It already happened in parts of New Hampshire. At this point, on the Democratic side, we still find that Barack Obama is the frontrunner by a remarkable margin. It changed in the last year some 35 points. On the Republican side, we still see a John McCain lead, but that's relatively thin. There is one interesting part and one interesting piece of New Hampshire that many people miss. 40% of the electorate here are independents. Not just independence in name, I mean independence in thought. They could swing any direction, left and right. We'll continue following this story. This is Jack Rice in Manchester, New Hampshire.